Hello, my dear friends. It's time to say a word. Stop working, please finish the second body of the Toyota Yaris. I made perhaps too many videos, full of very interesting things, but these are not the days when people love to move hands. They prefer to have a finished product, go out, race, crash, buy another one, and so on, and fill up the world of plastic, metal, gas, and so on. And this is my personal opinion. Of course, I'm not a young person, so I realized that perhaps going so slow for the most part of you is not so interesting, and therefore today I have 3-4 works more to do. I insist to show you, sorry, but this is my game and I play in this way, and I bet that and the numbers say yes, I have a little group of friends that are interested in what I'm doing. So I do this for them and for the newcomer, and hoping someone will follow my ideas, my teaching. Oh, great work. Side air intake, side mirrors, stickers, and clack to mount the body. If you want comment, is important. If you want subscribe, 10 more, 10 less, this is a little channel. No problem, no matter. I'm happy in this way. Side mirrors. They say to use these two stickers, but I don't want them. I want real shining side mirrors. So between all the adhesive, technical adhesive, this I call the technical adhesive bag, I try to see if I have still a little bit of chrome. Okay. This here, this one. What's the matter? Ah. I cut it and put here inside. One and two. And after these are mounted with these OR and clips. Washer and nut I prefer, because this is too big, too invasive, you don't like. I will see later. Let's do it. Love it. And now we can mount on the this hole has to be very, very, very precise. So I suggest you to go slowly and check frequently, because the mirror, here it is. Why? Perhaps this way. Yeah, this is better. One. And two. Then I have to check with the interiors if there's any interferences between this and that. No, I can use the Tamiya system. Perfect. So we can place one O-ring. Ah, there's the cable. On this side, okay, no problems. Done! Now I have to continue with stickers in order to mount. What's a mess here in these? And as I want holes here inside, perhaps I will make a hole and leave the body in order to put the screws. And I have to open this. Yeah, there's a little bit of work to do. I show you what I'm going to decide. But first of all, this. I delayed this work as up to now I'm quite bored about this, because I cut thousands and thousands of stickers, and up to now it doesn't enjoys me anymore, this. But it's a hard work and someone has to do it. It's a dirt work, they used to say. Let's do this. I give you appointment at the end of this. Say me good luck. Really a great work, big work. But it's not finished. I'm sorry, I can't finish this car in this video. I know you are happy about this, or maybe not. There are still two works to do. All these pieces, but I have to modify, as I want this opened and the body on the side also, in order to have air into the car. And this will be not so easy, because it has to be cutted, leaving this little part here, and this is thick. And then we have here these two columns, and they have to be painted in white, I suppose. TS26 I have to check. Then I have to mount the body with magnets, find the right height, and then finally test the two bodies. And here we have the two bodies, deeply different. Wonderful. Look at the front. I'm very happy to have this, and I can't wait to find out the car, how does it work. And so, but first I have to finish. Lot of fun, I have to say, a lot of fun. I taken it with calm, as you saw, and this is the best way I can use my money, because I bought a body and I'm working since 1 month. I do when I want, little piece, I make the video, I stay a little bit with you, and therefore with these two I say you thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Okay, this is the slavery from YouTube. Up to the next. Ciao. No.